you're like me, you typed into the YouTube search, Lataffa Asad Bourbon Man. What's good, people? I'm RX Sales, and I smells some bullshit. Oh, you thought I had the Lataffa Asad Bourbon? You thought I was gonna unbox the Lataffa Asad Bourbon? You thought I was gonna review the Lataffa Asad Bourbon? You thought I was gonna talk about, after unboxing and reviewing and sniffing and sipping and snorting, the Lataffa Asad Bourbon? No. I fooled y'all. I fooled you. I trolled you. It's called clickbait, people. Clickbait. I told you in the beginning, I'm RX Sales and I smells some bullshit. The bullshit I smelled is when I typed in Lataffa Asad Bourbon Man, so I could check out people's opinions, reviews, maybe some unboxings, maybe get a note breakdown. And you know what I found? Nothing. Nothing. It's for sale right now. I don't know why people don't have it. I found nothing. I found nothing but a bunch of desperate brokies. I mean, y'all ain't even got the decants no more? At least you was getting decants. Now you ain't even got the decant. You got a picture of the fragrance. You got the news of the fragrance. Ooh, you guys ready for Lataffa Asad? I'm telling you, people, the brokies, they're in charge now. They've taken over. They don't even need the decants no more to have channels. All they need is the news from Fragrantica to make videos and shorts. Robes 08, Rich Mitch, Ramsey, just pack it in. Pack all the bottles up. We're sending you home. We don't need you. We don't need reviewers. We don't need hobbyists, enthusiasts. We don't even need the fragrances no more. All we need is idiots and brokies with pictures of the bottles, no fragrance, not a sniff, just pictures and promises and hopes and dreams. That's all we need. That's all we need to watch. That's a wrap. Y'all are done. I'm done. This community is done. Lataffa Asad Bourbon is, how can it be done? It's not even out yet. Nobody has it. Stick a bow on it. It's Christmas. Put it under the tree. It's all a wrap, and it's all done. Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Merry Christmas, you brokies. I hope one day, someday, Santa stuffs his fat ass down your chimney with a bag full of dough so that you can one day, someday, get the fuck over yourselves, grow the fuck up, stop pretending to be, of all things to pretend to be, a YouTube fucking fragrance reviewer. Really? Of all the, you can pretend to be a rapper like Chris the CEO. You can pretend to be rich. Buy some fake sunglasses. Not these ones are real. But buy some fake sunglasses, some fake jewelry. Buy some fake Louis Vuitton in patterns that they have never made. Chris the CEO. Chris the CEO. Ain't no more room in this community for people that get it and got it out the mud. It is now officially 100% fake it until you make it. Merry Christmas to all, and to all, a good night.